Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. So in this video, I will show you how you can create a complete student management system in Java. You can see, first of all, I run this one and show you how it works. So here I have to put the username and the password. Okay. When I click on login, I will be at home page. Okay. So this is our home page. You can see if I wanna search any student, I have to put the ID like 5 and show data. Now you can see it get the data of that particular student and 22. Let me check what's the data on that particular email, sorry, ID. So this is the data and 3. Okay, so I clear this one and add new data. So I add ID 4, name SMI Smith, gender male, and date of birth. Okay, 09/0, sorry, 10 and 2, okay, 2000, and contact +1, and this random characters, email at gmail.com, and address. Okay, any address, like I type a random character here, and postcode. Okay, so this one is our postcode and course ID is 7, and here I have to choose the image for student. Okay, so I have to select the downloads, desktop. This is our downloads folder. Okay, so here I have to select the image. You can see lot of images here. Okay, so I select this user.png. I think it's black color, so that's why it's not visible here. Okay, let me select another image to show you demo from desktop. BIC logos, and here I use this logo. Okay, and when I click on save, the record is saved. Okay, and if I search for 4, now you can see it show the data of that particular student. Okay, and you may update this one or clear data. Okay, so when you clear, data is clear. When you search again, data is visible. If I want to update the image, okay, so how can we do that? I have to simply select another image, so important data D, and to select an image. Okay, I think this one, and update this one. So if I search again for 4, this one is the image. Okay, so if I type 22 and save that, sorry, show data, all the data is visible. Okay, so each and everything is working. If I wanna delete this one, I simply click on delete button to delete this one. Okay, so data is deleted, and if I show data, ID not found. Okay, so here I have to search for 5 now. You can see, so update the email, john@gmail.com, updated. Okay, search again. Now you can see it's updated. Okay, in the second, sorry, settings, you may create any user. Okay, that operate that particular student management system. Like I wanna create a new user 3, and name is ABC, password is 12, and save data. Okay, So this new user is created and I wanna delete id2. So if I type id2 here, show data, okay, so delete, and it's deleted, okay. And you can see it also show the username, okay, the login username here, and log out, and we will be at here, okay. So all the data is storing in this text files, okay. And here I'm using linked list data structure. You can see this one is our linked list, and all the data is storing in this text file. You can see this one is the user, okay, information, and this one is the image, okay. This is the image of user, okay. I converted into base 64 string and save. So all the data is separated by a line, okay. So there are around 3 to 4 user, okay. And this one is our user data. You can see only 2 users, okay.